Hi everyone, welcome to my channel The Ancient Sage. Here we will learn about the Indian system of medicine called Ayurveda. In this video, we are going to explore Chatushka methodology adopted in Sutrasthana. Sutrasthana. Sutrasthana is also called as Slokasthana. Sutrasthana contains 1952 sutras are given, which divided into quarters and which groups contains 4 chapters. So there are 30 chapters which are categorized under 7 groups. 7 groups contains 28 chapters and this is known as Saptachatushka, and remaining 2 chapters is present in Sangraha Dvaya. These all quarters convey the basic information about Ayurvedic system of medicine. These all things are basic of Sutrasthana. Then, okay, now let's know about new point. Primary aim of Ayurveda means what the things Ayurveda do in your life. What is the goal of Ayurveda? That all the things told in this sloka is like swastasya swastha rakshanam aturasya vikara prasamanam cha. First point is swastha chatushka contains rules and regulation for maintaining health. In that we have to know how to maintain health. Some rules and regulation are there. If we follow the rules and regulation, then only the body will be swasthya. Second point is Annapana Chatushka. Contain proper management of diet. Means whatever things we are eating in our daily life, that all the things impact in our health. If we consume proper quantity and quality of the diet, that make body away from the disease. And third point is treatment. If we follow first and second point, yes, if we follow the first point and second point, then don't need any third point, means chikitsa, or we have, if we came disease, little bit disease will came like cough, cold, that is normal to react what the body is. If why sneezing is caused, because some irritating parts are enter in our nose, due to this our body react and body do sneezing. Like that some normal basic problems will come, but if we follow the first and second point, then only we our health is good. If we don't follow the first and second point, then we have to go for third point, that is called treatment, in which nidana part and chikitsa part. First is nidana part, nidana chatushka, roga chatushka, samagra adhyaya, and chikitsa part औषधा चतुष्का, कल्पना चतुष्का and योजना चतुष्का. Okay, now let us discuss about chatushkas. First chatushka is called as औषधा chatushka, in which we have to learn first to 4 chapters, where description about various drugs and basic principle of Ayurveda is mentioned. Means whatever things are base, if we are making building also, we have to make first base, then only we can stand our building on the base. Like that only in the first chatushka, aushadha chatushka, in that we have to learn all the basic principles of Ayurveda which are mentioned. Second chatushka is swastha chatushka and swastha vritta chatushka. In that we have to learn 5 to 8 chapters, where many advices are explained related to maintaining the good health of a healthy individual. Means what the where many advices are explained related to maintaining the good health of a healthy individual. Means whatever the good things if we follow for our health, otherwise diet, that will help to protect our body from any diseases. Yes, we will go for next point. Third chatushka is nirdesha chatushka. In that we have to learn about 9 to 12 chapters Many important information and direction related to Ayurveda is described. Then fourth Chatushka, Kalpana Chatushka, 13 to 16 chapters, where number of preparation and way of preparation related to Ayurvedic drugs or various treatment modalities are explained. In this Kalpana Chatushka, we have to learn the preparation related to drugs, means how the drugs are made, how the drugs are prepared in the laboratories, and how to preserve this, how to consume the drugs. Like that, we have to learn all the things in the Kalpana Chatushka. Now we will go for next point. Fifth Chatushka, that is Roga Chatushka. In that we have to learn 17 to 20 chapters where various types and number of diseases are mentioned. Means whatever the types of any diseases and the major diseases, that all are explained in this Roga Chatushka, 17 to 20 chapter. Next one, sixth Chatushka, this is Yojana Chatushka. Yojana means planning, like that only. 21 to 24 chapters are mentioned in that, where the various type of ways of treatment, procedure of various elements and criteria for selecting of patient for treatment is described. Means if the disease is not curable and the person is maybe to died, then if we don't follow the sixth Chatushka, Yojana Chatushka, in which we have to learn 21 to 24 chapters. Yojana Chatushka means planning, what we have to do and what we have to not to do, where the various types of ways of treatment, procedure of various alignments and criteria for selecting of patient for treatment is described. Means what the treatment we have to give for this patient, what is the treatment give for the other patient, number of diseases came, number of treatments are we have to do. If the person is as at what condition, it is not curable diseases, otherwise it is a what we called, it may be on a bed or it will be on coma and it will be made dead. That time we have to know what to do and what not to do. That is described in this Yojana Chatushka. Then last one is seventh Chatushka, Annapana Chatushka, 25th to 28th chapter, where the various types of foods, food materials and various ways of preparing food are mentioned. Means what are the types of food, what the food materials we have to consume, how to prepare the food, that also mentioned in this great science. This is only beautiful science, friends. Then last two chapters are remaining now, that is last Sangraha Adhyaya, that is 29 and 30 chapters, where the collection of different characteristics of life, body and Vaidya. Vaidya means physician, we now is also called as doctor, are explained. Means how the life will be we have to live, how to maintain the body, how the physician has to be. Like that only we have to learn this two chapter. Okay, now we completed the okay. Then we will discuss sthanas. There is a first sthana, is called as Nidana Sthana. It contains 247 sutras that all are in 8 chapters. The 8 chapters are in the line of tissues. Means we will learn all the things in the upcoming chapters, that is called Sapta Dhatu. According to that, they are mentioned like Rasa, Rakta, Mamsa, Medha, Asti, Majja, Shukra, like that only. Jvara means we get fever, na? That is called Jvara. Jvara is a disease of Rasa, Rakta, Pitta. Like only we have to learn all the things in the Nidana Sthana. The next one is Vimanasthana. It contains 354 sutras. It all included in the 8 chapters. Explained about dosha means disease, roga, disease also. Dosha means vata, pitta, kapha, roga, disease. Veshaja, desha. Desha means in which place we are living. Kala means season, time. Bala means what is our strength. Sharira, how what's our physic tell. There are so many types we will learn in this. We will discuss in upcoming videos. Uh, then ahara means food what we are consuming. Then sattva, satme means follow the good regime, good conduct. That all the things are explained in the Vimanasthana. Next one is Sharirasthana. This is follow of Vimanasthana. It contains 382 sutras. It's all included in the 8 chapters. Detailed description about the various aspects of the birth and formation and development of the body. Means you are understanding the various aspect of birth and formation and development of the body. Means here it includes how the birth happen. It's related to female. Like that only we have to learn all the things in Sharirasthana. Next one is Indriya Sthana, also called as Aristhasthana, contain 378 sutras, have 12 chapters, deals with the prognostic signs and symptoms. The next one is Chikitsa Sthana. Chikitsa means treatment. It contains 4,904 sutras. It have 30 chapters. There is an anonymity on the supremacy of the Chikitsa Sthana of the Charaka Samhita. Acharya Charaka was famous for Chikitsa Sthana. This is the main point for the Charaka because Charaka explains too much high level, also basic level, also medium, moderate, whatever called we. Because in Chikitsa Sthana, whatever the Charaka told na, in modern science also they follow some of the points of Charaka, and in Ayurveda majorly follow Charaka for this Chikitsa for the treatment. The next one is Kalpa and Vikalpa Sthana. It contains 378 sutras. It have 12 chapters and this deals with the choice and preparation of the medicine. Means what we get to know in the previous slides, that also how to prepare medicine, drugs, like that only we have to learn in that. The next one is Siddhisthana. This is the last sthana, contains 700 sutras. It all included in the 12 chapters. Siddhi means successful accomplishment. Siddhi means successful accomplishment and deals with Panchakarma Chikitsa. You all heard about the Panchakarma Chikitsa. There are 5 steps. Some Acharya told 6. Like that only we have to learn that all the things in the Siddhisthana. Okay, comment below with the most surprising thing you learned today and save this video for your next study session. Follow, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for learning with me. Until next time.